Lesson 5. The rich invent money. Often in the real world, it's not the smart who get ahead, but the bold. Avoiding financial struggle and acquiring financial intelligence requires knowledge, but it also requires the courage to act in the face of uncertainty and to avoid playing it safe. Those who are willing to act boldly are the ones who see opportunities and seize them, instead of sitting on the sidelines wondering how things may have played out. One thing that holds people back with money is holding on to the way that things used to be. If you get used to things and don't find ways to adapt to a fast-changing world, you'll likely be left behind. Once you build the habit of acting on opportunities, not only will you learn more, but luck will eventually come in your favor. Even if you learn to play the game and figure out how to play it well, it's important to know that money is not your most valuable asset. Your mind is the key to financial independence, so it's important to train and treat your mind well. The truth is that markets go up and down, and opportunities come and go. The important thing is to be able to spot things as they come, have the skills to evaluate them, and move forward with ideas that have a high probability of success and low downside risk. If you can do that well, you improve your chance of moving beyond the poor and middle class. With money, you won't always win. You'll make losing investments and winning ones. The key is to get better over time and not to beat yourself up over the losses. There are two types of investors: ones who buy packaged investments from a retail outlet and ones who create investments. To be the second type of investor, you need 3 skills: the ability to find opportunities that everyone else missed, the ability to raise money, the ability to hire and organize people that are smarter than you. Great quotes. Number 1. Old ideas are some people's biggest liability. It is a liability simply because they fail to realize that while that idea or way of doing something was an asset yesterday, yesterday is gone. Number 2. If the opportunity is too complex and I do not understand the investment, I don't do it. Simple math and common sense are all you need to do well financially. Number 3. It is not gambling if you know what you're doing. It is gambling if you're just throwing money into a deal and praying.